Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
This message is going to Enogie. Enogie, clap for yourself. I bet make I use Benin. Who know the man of verse? Make I throw Benin small. Enogie. The man will not win in sharp, but I'm still looking for your real name. Gekweamue. Enogie. At first, Enogie, I really like Enogie at first. In the sense that I think say Enogie shall be on your issue. When I find out say Enogie na betrayer, Enogie 2 million naira, and you say you are priceless. You say your wife name na be priceless. Your name na Enogie, that you are priceless. So they use 2 million naira buy you. May you destroy your own fellow presenter. Enogie, your own fellow presenter, because of hatred, because of money. May you bring down. Enogie, shame on you. I'm not supposed to call that Enogie. You're supposed to call you Omozwo. Omozwo, you're not Enogie. Shame go see let you they come match where they talk. Enogie, to come out 2 million, you they cover the truth. Let me tell you people, even say 100 years, even if it take 100 years, the truth must surely comes out. I'm not a Lawless fan, no. I'm not a Dimorphis fan. But when I see the truth, I always speak for the truth. Enogie, who dey 2 million naira, who dey 2 million naira, unas wan misbehave. Let me first of all handle your wife, Mama Nora. I just say Enogie, say you know they come on social media, say you be nice person. You be the best woman for this life. Now you better pass that your name is priceless. You see your life now. You see your life. You come life, you dey talk anyhow. You dey talk, you don't dey imitate first lady. You don't dey imitate Eddie Murphy where they talk for background. Where we have few pleasure, we no matter Eddie Murphy we can live video. Where we are going, when I move my car, we no matter any go we are going. We are going to coco we are going jo. We are going man before you come and say you want to do advert for Eddie Murphy. You say na advert now you do. So Eddie Murphy I concussion no ye kia mudia madam we of weta we ekin ye mudia yan agwo ekiage mudia. You guys are covering the truth. Ekiage mudia wagekwe wa amuwa short. Muna to jo enter house. Muna let shame the cash una. Una dey find you and Enogie and Monica. Una dey find want to cover J-Boy truth. J-Boy truth don't go ever fit cover lie. Now must go for DNA test. Don't like it or not. Now must go for DNA test. You must go for DNA test. No one can they bring on that matter. I'm gonna take over the matter with the ground. No, God already fight for Lolo. Say. God already fight for Lolo. Not be today. Lolo not even know me. I don't know him. Now hear me. God already fight for Lolo. Mama Nora enter house. Lawa. If you someone begin to share the pictures where Enogie don't they date all those girlfriends, go reach the issue and get where Enogie don't fair date. Tell me that they share their picture. My dear, you know who is half of them. Fear not they let now they snap with better picture. Now they use filter. Now they live fake life. Now picture for Facebook now fake life. Everything that they do now fake life. Everything about you guys are fake. Your pictures are fake. If you want come on live now fake. Who we allow you to go first lady go on. We wait till a better or work at Dimorphy. Oh, on your whoa. I work at Dimorphy in your born way. I work at Dimorphy or Bonarian on your whoa, no Jacob Bia. Come ray, come shine. No matter what that man has gone through, that man has gone through hell. What kind of man less yana ya gue or Jaguana of Wakana ya gue. I'm a no mammy with such a Wakana ya gue. We're not okay no gay. We're not a boy nora. Enogie na me in a Dimorphy me. Uma pack a book by when no gear. No saying by mouth. You pack your things and leave Enogie. No saying by mouth. Like the relationship by the calculator. Okay, 2-3 years work ne. I'm telling you. When I'm in Enogie me. When I'm in Enogie me. When I'm in Enogie me. In a Dimorphy me. When I work at Dimorphy left any. Ana talk no muja cook bia. Oh ma Emma, I call her Dimorphy. And Monica we are great signing. Monica, we mama ma was when I wear Monica, Monica even no, Monica is a bueze, Monica I bugwene yenora. Out of work begin now, where wow gege, yenora, Monica I will like a walk benogi, of Walawa. Umami eke afe nwe life way affair, or Robin Monica. And the way defy a trap Monica, wa be bella, the audio wa no, I pay show. Uman weje. While I wait no game, the more anywhere vati near, or even any what vati enter house na plan work on a scam. On a scam, my sister, on a scam. Now Monica come be my best friend. It will get 2 million. Why not go meet Monica? Una go meet Monica na Isha. You know like where where that social media now. When I go yo guare. Oguna de gbo na me we ekia fe nu we wona la social media ni wo kan pa ye platform na re e di mo fi todo beg we ona bribe we o se we wo se dan mu le kian wo wa ven boba o se ni en lele we ladian iye no ra gbeyegbe so wo kan di mo fi ya e o ma se no go wo kan di mo fi gun a ma bi o se o ma be won se ba ni o ma go etu awona ketu no ru we o ma sisen ana wona ketu no ruwo o masi sen so ikwo ba na agun ikwo no enegbe na agun okwo no ewe no okwo no unjodo na agun okwo no mujajiye kodo na agun okwo no gbuna no do na agun okwo no malele na agun tale loda fun ona agun ula o ya kuye gbo ejo wo da ama ewe egbe libya o lalawa egbe libya lalawa egbe libya o lalawa ruda no egbe no ma na egbe okun Opo no ma ne gbo hin why you know la misa egbe ma we egbe ma be okwo menu eje ama me a camera fit and walo ni e then a picture we ala jan here ya we shine we dey oni oboke di mo fi wa no oboke di mo fi iwa no ekene di oboke di mo fi na gon agwe gun ekene oboke di mo fi na ladian ohun agwe ladian oga ada fu wa si ari egbo ba no ya wan me iye no ra we ma lene uyale lave central boys in season uyale lave boys no wa eworo we soro ne long time ago before now omo na gbon agun we bi agun o bi a imitate your working first lady we aladian we agun be background e say yo yan ma negbe they useless people what of why useless is say other ye am ye e mo na gbon bi agun wa bi aladian we gun ave go bi no ma negbe ave hu no ma negbe ave guia ave pictolet on va go egena du mo final live Facebook oda fu e 3310 egena du di mo final live Facebook oda fu e 3310 ma e phone at your bed that flat bed e phone oda fu e mo bueno wa go na we ye gbegbe we don't know we ye gbegbe here vi go na te igwa nya me u lewe bonenu do publish egbo e no do alaja social media when you are seeing yourself as celebrity my food, celebrity my house, celebrity my leg. E mo na gbon agun we agun e wa ni a wa ke mon wale lo say e Monica no man we negbe e Monica no we kiakian e Monica ne o mo egua ekita e Monica ekita vi atia ivie na tafo elele wo say ekita o tafo na we lo be ekita ai we tafo ma we lo be ke Monica ai we on what tafo ma we lo be ke Monica ikwo we alaja we ago we alaja o we u se o we yo we alaja we wa te mata o agwo te mata we na ti wan me o agwo te mata awu gwa biwe ije no raja your name is really priceless you are not even priceless because I do well necessary o word we je we ya we ke ya lo ke nogi awe no ge do so ni we tinye we yan ni pento wa bia no pento wa inwina money we boa Iwina gbe esoro iwina gboni kwe webo iwina gboni kwe webo iwina gbo we agun a uwe to yin awe nu de wa advert ni yen u de wa advert uyu nu we roho e uyu nu we una ya roho e uwe ju nu we ya reko ebo ere na gbogbo ni una we mi sevebo na we mi sebo ko no enegbe me na ewe me enegbe o uwe fawa o sha o me enegbe o ma o na hewe uya imi oboke edimofi rudawe eyiwa wariana eyiwa wariave emi ya fe oboke edimofi eyiwa we oga emi o se no eyiwa we oga o se na no solo boya joma eyiwa we aga ti okwo no do no ujodo oboke edimofi eyiwa we ima blame we Imagine we Facebook no je want dey we no. Because I don't wear zegbe Libyan wela. Imam we ogule lapa. I we egene lapa ya kapsa da ya mu were. I we Ubi alajon do agwanya kanya wono ma ne gbo agwanya kanya wa gwa sele ehun no ma ne gbe ewia wa wo se no wale lekian ga wo se no wale lekian na ga wo se no lelekian no mero bi anye welele enogie do o de do we peso wa ko we bete eden we ase no gie we no ge kan afian we de rabi do se wo gwa we ni ai mo gba ya fe enogie kan do tell atian enogie kan do tell atian we si bata ne Niger no wo ke di mo fi ara moto a we si bata no wo ke di mo fi ara moto a ye nora imeke nu nora arie we si bata no wo ke di mo fi ya na moto ave no ma negbe ne we lala bukpon ave un no mama ave samagwan ave dewu ake wani ragbon we ake gwa wani ragbon no eyin wa ki wa ragbon eblishi agwa wa eblishi igon wa me social media wa ya de eblishi igon le social media eblishi wa ya u iwine lolo obu wa yan e mate lolo obu we yan iye nora e mate lolo ibu yan e Monica e ko bu yan ne wo ke ibu yan ne wate wi ake wa na lajan do snap a picture wa we to wa mo say e camera no on na wash when a Monica lajan without a filter when no get lighter without a filter wa snap with a normal camera on na wash get we get dimofinia go we get dimofi oni okwo na ya kaka oni okwo no jodo wa mi okwo na agwo no jodo no edimofi owo ke dimofi e ogwo no wa ro ma supeva ugwaro ma supeva wa you erive nek mo no ke bu won mi wa la down wa down that live video wa salola dian wa gbunu ye ne dimofi gbu e no bu enyen ne dimofi no gbu e no bu enyen e 2 million naira no bu eva o e 2 million na no kan hin say you eva enyen e 2 million naira okay please people should share this audio e 2 million naira kan hin eva enyen o bu eva enyen wo men wa eje e kwe la wa gbe ne ove Tagala wagbe o ove e tagala wagbe ove tagala wagbe o ove enogie ove la wagbe ne ove wa la wagbe na enogie geku amu we enogie geku amu o ma la gbo be atawe we po mo yo omore no ya tawe we pe di mo fi yere awugwe enogie awugwe gwe no we kian awe ke wona ti wa loveke eke wona ti wa we ivie ke roba we roba ivie ne pitolet ivie na gbe afa yu we ne ki azanzo we ki avie ko wa we ke we ti lewe ki ivie geku amu my brother geku amu geku wa amu ti mo wo wa gwa o la o wa geku amu o me ne gbe we 2 million naira una ya betray that gbe afa 2 million naira shame enogie lawa enogie wenu lawa enogie omo no hu o ma so we 2 million naira is that what you want to sell yourself for ana we baby omo na gbon we ki mehu we bi omo na gbon ge uwe le unre na mweku we aya mwe ku gbaba aya re egbe reserve ya spend 2 months egbe reserve ya ton kai e general bi jo ya neko we uwe fava o won ye gwedo agwedi mo fi gun a uwe kenedi mo fi je kenedi mo finance won la social life na a presenter na we la Europe we yan fi le ye kwa wederio we don fi le ye kwa we ogwe sentro abi o wa na pack maji ubi aladian uwe du agbon we do yin we pa misikanya u do yin pa misikanya social media presidency akwa agbo e 2 million na ni o kan oku e ke Monica nwa ju wan wenu amamai we ko mi Monica o ke du mezi o ke ne me ya fe o wa kan ju wan wenu amamai e 2 million naira kan gbeluwa 2 million naira kan gbeluwa 2 million naira kan gbe what we 2 million naira ni o kan ti se e lolo yiye ke o e lolo pa gbe no pe we no ga won no me wan Eganation has no that Monica we lolo ru dem hotel mi a pe audio ni we me wete Monica ke ogwa leso egbe lolo wa gbegwe mi afe ya gbegbe mi ya fe won no yan regret we maybe or si we ke gbe Edimofi wa me ya wo mo Ọlọ́run no mo wo ni sama wo yen ya wo mo Edimofi wa me ya we Godson Ọlọ́run we no le blishi yen ya we e Godson Edimofi lele camp ya fe no ire webo omo yemi wa ya move Libya no we Godson Ọlọ́run we ne blishi we no le camera fitter we no get snap with a re camera a camera fitter kwe ko we ya fe we ya snap you una we o kan do gun agwe Edimofi gun a ni we na Edimofi gbe wa gbon ni we na Edimofi no si we ladin ge we ovela we gbe ne e 2 million naira ovela we gbe ne ge we ovela we gbe do ma ta efo ma me ne Monica na o no gwe e mate jeboe me de ne Monica ovela we gbe ne enogie e wona gbona bi agun u lawa u ya ku egbuejuwo wa because you are a disgrace to Edo. You are a disgrace to Edo State. You are a disgrace to Benin presenter as a whole. You are not supposed to be called a presenter. Ruda when I who of your hand. Me ma no when enoge ni we wa when am enoge ni we. No gbogbo mani. Ama be je enoge na mu ne wa no ma negbenu a. We so no when enoge a. We gbogbo kota ju nwa. We su gbogbo ju nwa ni. We na afera baba no gbugwe we na afera no gbugwe abi na mo vato mo gbo ohun ni we shi no lele no ge hia e ma na gba akwen eni iya we na eni ya we azuo when no ge is priceless but with 2 million you want to betray your own fellow presenter. How dare you? You want to betray your own fellow presenter. How dare you? Emani kawe presenter nike wa mi o emata wa agbegwe wa mi mata wa agbegwe o se wa ya fe na gbere ebiebi wa ya fe gberi ebefi wa ya fe gberi akpete video o jera ma leak na nia aya ta we elolo ema ni won le lolo gbelu wa gbon ni lolo suwa la yin elolo ezo onwe lolo kan azo fe wa gbe fe ku ke Monica ke ivie no ma negbe ivie ke roba ivie we roba ivie pitoleti e disgrace kan la wa ya fe gbe enoge e disgrace kan la we gbe e 2 million ani we na riwe o kan si gban ju e o we okay ni otani me kan no we no ge we go see a social media president we go see e sikegbe ba me 2 million naira we go see e bai ogina tie we a ogena tie we a e panado ga ne nigo ado vebo ne bogbu ne 2 million naira no re we lawa. It shows that you are the most useless presenter I've ever seen. Ageleta we presenters yan rigo yan ya tie bonoma yan ya mo ebogbo ma imajaji egbu e me na wajaji na egbu we na me na wajaji fake. You are fake. Everything about you is fake. Your life is fake. In short, your family is fake. You are living a fake life. And we boss we maybe on my just singlet we won pa gbonajo. We won pa gbona me singlet ojo laja. We won pa gbonajo. We no ya laluwe ko am we go nu. We won pa gbonajo. Anyway, I can see you are very very hungry. You are very very hungry. But maybe kwa my painting nu na my mi over. Awu enu lele kian e corona o block ke na washawo iko ni washawo no le lo we ya ma emie iko munu e ona we tu no kian aju we lolo nu ya ku 2 million naira e me lolo kian gbu e me lolo kian siwe fidi e me lolo kian siwe o kian sie Monica fidi e me lolo kian si vie fidi wona wa mi mata why mi mata why ye neku why ya gbu e o to no do kian no wa o obanedo o kian no wa eto le dokian no wa ovato no gedu mo kian no wa iye nu yo kian no wa ogun na mi o kian no wa aga tebo nazen osugba gbe aga tebo wo wie osugba gbe atebo wa son asugba gbe da wa se na se ne dokian ivie do ma obenogi o kesun ivie do ma ivie do ma enogi uriami afewa ugbe 2 million se ugun ewu ya gele nego 2 million se ni arigo bae. No, for you just to cover up. Make na ya go. No, you make na your bo. Make na go e matter. 2 million wa ya go nu. No ya go e matter. After we e lolo ema. Ah, no gi. okmanu ya wani iwi wa egbo ori okmanu ya wani iwi egbo ori. You guys should play share this audio please. Thumbs up please. Egbo ori enoge egbo ori. You are digging your early grave. You are digging your early grave. I am going to come out on live for you for 20 times. And I'm going to make sure that we allow. Enoge. Ekene awa na do meeting. Manager. Where is another 2 million naira? Where was another 2 million naira? O wari 2 million naira unwe okwoven okunweje. When I get le onjoko, when I get respect of okwo no rowa. Onwa agweta wo kan 2 million naira unwe lolo. Abigo nwe mie no masuwe. Igo ne Jemi Hassan no masuwe. Wari go nyanwe lolo. Weto igo na mi ige social media, weto go like bear. Ige social media, weto wa ariyo ekọ ivon wa. Ige social media, weto we ariyo egbe yoku we. We bono lele kian. We dege no lele kian. We dogban no lele kian. Una we lolo kian mi 2 million naira. No ya ta we elolo modano. No ya gwene dumezi. No ya gwene ole adulterous women. Una we 2 million naira okay eya kian sanwe ru deve lolo emelolo osu la dio. Emelolo kuweke Monica Vivie. When I fed ni mama bobo, 2 million no kian suwa like di. On kian suwa like di. Wagwa. 2 million no kian suwa like di. Wana mi wanta una ga presenter pe o biakin o o kwokin o mo bokin o mo wekin una we gwane done una wonu do mi wanta nu je emine ku igwe o to na dokin asi we la yin mi. Wenu mi wanta wenu je igo na igo gbuonu e wanta mo gwo eta laja e to na dokin agbuwe. Eni nu we ni no gieni wa mi akma egbere no gbuwe ugbere no gbuwe ugbere ni akan gbuwe a si we le mi ya fe kian a mi ke na gba orewe ami kena gba orewe wa o kan wa plan even e wo gwa udo ladata we me and my wife one quarrel me and my wife one just quarrel so this thing one cause only how this thing happen only how this na Nollywood Isha na Nollywood na that practice na Nollywood your wife people confirm and say e tell you na Nollywood. Now that plan and call they come live video say, tell me how this thing happen. I dey vex. Tell me how this thing happen. Tell me gbon. Ogbon we no gi. Ogbon we no gi. Ove kan la wegbe. Ove all la wegbe. All la wegbe. E di mo fi gwa lomo. Ona we anju we no ma. Ma we ba. Wo de we ba. Wo ma we guy. Ona we kan is goson. Ona we ne unna. We ni samagwa. We no mono omono nwanwe o passa pon ba ugwe kan do je edimofi we godfather a ugwe edimofi o se wa me ugwe self we lata we vona we may followers edimofi o se we may followers. You should give kudos to that man. Edimofi is not just a presenter, Edimofi is a comedian. Edimofi is not just a presenter, he's a comedian. That man he dey give everybody joy. Edimofi is a man of truth. Forget say they talk. Forget say they curse anybody. If Edimofi see truth, he go talk am. When Edimofi fair judge Lolo case and Monica, when the matter dey hot that time. When Edimofi judge Lolo case and Monica that time. When the matter dey hot, not be Lolo win the case. Not be Lolo win that case. When Edimofi judge that matter, when the matter just dey hot that time, not be Lolo win the case. Abi you not listen to the audio. Abi your ear wear pint. Abi your ear wear mama not a pint. Mama not a pint. Don't block your ear. He pant hey your ear wear pampers. You know yeah as Lolo tell the beg Monica when the chicken cost. Abi your ear wear pampers. Usun wagbon 2 million igbo e 2 million ogbo e kuwe kiyan we ya fe 2 million ogbo luwe kuwe ke du mes no ma negbe edu mes no ma negbe 2 million wa kan anwa me palace wa like wa mo a new story re o wa na mo bad story re o uma me e Monica ve jebo e mata ni ata kan mi o to e Monica kan mo se awe o kan mo se awe DNA test ai kwen wa mon wete no ra ni obi we no I can't wait. We can ti gbegbe ni Monica Una we na ni pay to 2 million naira. Na gbegbe ni Monica we do maize. I ke me wo mon we mukia ni ije nora ni gwonya nora. Enoge enora ni we ya we DNA test. We ya we DNA test na go bie nora. E ko na ti 2 million naira no ya bribe. Not take 2 million naira as a bribe. It shows that Nora is not your biological daughter. Because a true Benin man that you called yourself as a no-gay, you cannot be covering issue for an adulterous woman like Monica. And you'll still come out for platform. Who do I go? Who do I who na HRG? Oh, and when I go, we are going. We're not anybody no ide by Monica ne. Or a follower say Monica o no ide by Monica ne. You all are adulterous women. O ko no word no gbobole le Monica. O ko no word no nata wetin ya we pay show no gbobole le Monica. Who ya fe re o go gbelu wa ya fe. They say show me your friend and I will tell you who you are. Show me your friend and I will tell you who you are. And what is the meaning of that? You are Monica followers, all the women, Monica followers, they are adulterous women. If they are not adulterous women, they should come out and speak the truth. Okay, if you are a married man, you are on Facebook, and your wife is following Monica, the wife is paying for Monica live show, I beg you in the name of God, block her Facebook. If not, your wife will go outside and practice this like Monica. Yes. Please, you guys should share this audio. If you get wife, your wife they follow Monica. Your wife they watch Monica audio. My dear, your wife don't they fuck around though. They say practice what you teach. If they teach, they have to go they fuck for outside now. Your wife go leave food go burn for fire. Go they look Monica show. Your wife don't they sleep around though. Guy, go they check your wife well. If you want to get the good truth, go block your wife. May not they follow Monica again. She's an adulterous woman. Mama Nora too, na adulterous woman. Your case goes to show. Your case goes to show. Not the men we don't fuck you for camp, for Libya camp, where they for push you for Lapa. All their case, we don't get information one by one. Saga must continue. Saga must continue. Saga must continue. I'm telling you people. You want to sell your truth. You want to sell your pride. You say you are priceless, but 2 million naira they don't buy you. You are priceless. 2 million naira they don't buy you. The Nokia is priceless, but now they bought you. But now they don't buy you. You are no longer priceless. They don't buy you. You are no longer priceless. Useless set of human beings. Ekanedimofi na gwa we go agwa wa ni. Edimofi no ma, Edimofi no enegbe. Eramo no moyaga. Eramo no enegbe. Edimofi alada Facebook. Ogogo ya fe ori ma ya fe egbe. Wana we Edimofi wakan do ya fian. Wakan do ase ye nora u kan do afian o kan so na Edimofi kan so afian. Una we Edimofi o kan so gun we Facebook. Ekwe be mue. Ekwe mu gwe no mo bia jo kwa ekwe mue. Gwe no ma mu go jo ohun bi agun. Gwe no ma mu go jo ohun bi agwe first lady gun. Social media wife bi agun egbon. Gwe no ma mu go jo ohun. E my sister Lawa. Nya we wo bi ogba kian. Oda for esi we sike Monica nenia. Now you guys are now a friend to Monica. And then Monica can you want we pay show. I'm ready to share it. Monica can you want we pay show. Eke afe ni nora we boya fe. Monica can we pay show. Omo no gbe Monica was say ogbegbe eniyan okin egbe. Because Monica is a public dog. Monica na egbe. Monica ma o ma se o ma ujo se. Una ti egbo se Monica akware oja we ku igo o we last card check up. Oh, she no na adwork, you no have no God why adwork last card check up. With that way, in your way, le lago, I go, aga le la dia, idea. No, why I le lago, who I go here? You guys are confused human being. Lolo is better than you all. A lot of mass of one. Na gbe ama we nere vie, a lot of mass of one. Unwe lolo, o wa zagu ya fe na. Unwe lolo zagu wane. Unwe lolo o zagu ya fe ne. Nezu e Monica we lolo yaswe. Emi no bu aladian. Emi no bu aladian. Emi no bu aladian. Why ga me Monica no ya we DNA na jebue. Iwune 2 million naira igwe wa gbon. When I tell you 2 million naira na jebue. When I tell you 2 million naira rude jebue. Rude lolo. It shows that your wife is an adulterous woman. All this red head, I welcome you. It shows that your husband, your Mama Nora is an adulterous woman. Iye Nora, jato anu be Nora na. Adak when I see what say with Monica, adak when I see Monica, ye Nora, jato anu be Nora na. No give all bio na. No give all kioni sawe. When no give kioni suwe. No give all kioni sawe. No give kioni suwe. Woman waeje. Eddie Murphy is a social media president and he will always remain the social media president. Eddie Murphy, Eddie Murphy is our number one godfather. Ana ate wa no emi Facebook Eddie Murphy no. Ekene Eddie Murphy na gwa enoge ya lawa. Ekene Eddie Murphy na so live presenter enoge we wa yerugbo jobo. Uyerugbo jobo we go agbiga erugbo jobo. Why are you job? So when somebody they come out, they say when they talk truth. Eddie Murphy is speaking from wisdom. It shows that Eddie Murphy is not hungry. He's not hungry. Why kwero egbe? Why bero egbe? Why sero egbe? Woman negbe? Why egbe no man negbe? Ave kete ne kwemu. You can go and send your puppies to my page. It will not stop me from saying the truth. Enoge, you are not, you sure, if I hear that Enoge for anybody, Matt again, it's a Nozwo. Your name is a Nozwo, it's not Enoge. Do that way, Enoge. He dwekin wedona. When I get Leonje do Noge. When I get Leonje, when I get Leledo, where they ba mogo, same ba, amenofwa. We are getting oje do deba amogo usame ba menofwa. Ana when I came and not get a social media na ya gele ya aton e ma no je wan ibu enwe yes e ma me viedo e ma no ye wan ibu give viedo gele exist le webo e ma no stop centro ba be upasha wona ya fe is Eddie Murphy. What have you done? Eddie Murphy fought for Central to stop. What have you done? Eddie Murphy talk Central matter. Eddie Murphy fight people with pictures and evidence and everything. Eddie Murphy they fight 247. You think na 2 million naira? Nabi Eddie Murphy problem. How where you they come out to do a Eddie Murphy go on? We no shame on you. A nozwo. We are not a nogi. You are a nozwo. A nozwo. If I hear that price less again, I go give you slap for my phone. I will give you dirty slap for my phone. If I hear them again. Eddie Murphy na baba. Eddie Murphy. And see, when I hear say Eddie Murphy come back to Saga, that's why they happy. Eddie Murphy na baba. The return of Eddie Murphy was the beginning of wisdom. The return of Eddie Murphy is the beginning of wisdom. When Eddie Murphy gone back to Saga, social media begin to hurt again. Who no one enter Facebook, begin to enter Facebook. Shows everybody missing. Everybody missing. Everybody miss Eddie. When Eddie Murphy enter Facebook, they happy. Now are they happy? Useless. See. I'll be coming out every day by day. I will reply a nogie. A nogie, you must admit, say you don't fuck up. A nogie, you don't fuck up. You don't fuck up big time. You don't F. A nogie, you don't F. We're F in there. I mean, when they come out for Facebook, they do all this. Okay, nogie, all those on a story. Forget all those on a story. Now story. All of that story, no rhyme. You don't fuck up. You don't sell your pride. You don't sell yourself for 2 million. You are nothing. And not those people they follow, when they give you hand. All of them, all those small guests, when they Paris, when they give you $10, when they give you $20. Now they clap and follow because you're man neck boy. Who will vient la social media? You see this guagua Abi, you never do many people like that. No, you never do many people like that. All those people they follow Enogie tomorrow, no go see carry their call social media, he go insult them. People where they follow Ivie also carry call social media, he go insult them. Now some Monica still do not bet where fair zua, bed of the same feather. Who have for was zua, una not get sense. Una not get sense. Sorry. Una not get sense. Una go see truth, na go the cover am. Now the women, now women, I can't pay me pass. If we do no zomo, if we na ya yo, I got several diyan we do audion, e do have a song when do we audion. Oh re, we gene de, oh re, even have ya kunoa. E Monica mie kwewe, iyan ye e picture, e dumezi ya agba mekwa, oni okwo no wa. Let me come to you people. Oma ye kia yo mawe, o agwa, unu na ateme so agwa no. Okona gelo are wodo, ni ya fe, o gbunuji. Wena aleko be asevudo wodo, agwa no bedo, una gele okwedo, wa menuta. Weno je patu ya embrace okbia, uya mi gba dede, iyan gbobo yu ekun, eri edo woman, agwa ni hin. Egena na ive inyowa egena gele ve inyowa egena inyowa na gele ton na miegwe ebebo mere dem wa ni keri egena inyowa na gele ton onwa agokwo ya rewo e ogun gbogbo ni onwa agokwo rewo egena do na gele edo onwa agokwo rewo ya onwa agokwo ya rewo e ana me Monica muejunu ige iya Monica, for you to even be fucking your husband and Lolo is watching it. Ugene my sister, you are an adulterous woman, and I put it to you. Ya fiekia you we oh no ge oh na mi be go wo ona ya de ona ya de no mo ko no wodo okay no. Let's be frank to ourselves. Okay no, let's be frank to ourselves. Okuna gele arogodo okbiana jigo ne okuna arogodo okbiana jigo ne boe okona e boyfriend na jigo ne vedo agwano ogbo odo wa mi want to get matter I procure respect Godfather wa mi want to get matter e Monica of your you are not your Joanne. Why you got big winning? I'm not saying that a day will come that I will say I want to do pay show. I can do it if I wish to do pay show, but I'm not against pay show. But you got to stop supporting adulterous woman. That woman don't agree. Say it don't do one. Why you akpo bolele? Why you akpo bolele? One no man negbe Monica. Why akpo bolele Monica no man negbe? Monica no renya do. E Monica gwenya do ikweli kwojo wa akpobolele wa ni ekpobolele ni ima blame wa ope no mu wajo wa I blame odafo la gele o do no even no ilele do e ko ni wa lele Monica e mo no lele Monica e Facebook asawo ya fe hin egbe wo ni ya mo be ayere e ba yin egire egbe wo ya ala me wo ku no do ati afio kodi via Facebook oni eto ge egene de uhe e na mu ta e Facebook na okwe gata la dian egene do okona jo wodo oyo bogwa o da fun alove kene oyo bogwa o ekwe amobeje agbe me na hije na wa nya karawa wa iki akarawa wa imu la da be Facebook wa imu la dian wa temekia wa temuwe wa ye gbu wa mu agwa ge gbu wa men wa je wa ye gbu ati agwa wa ati agwa agwa la wa Monica wo na ti je egbo na avebo Monica wo na de we mana de okpe mana eri bokan wekun we ma we kia fa okpe mana eri bokan wekun we mana eri go kpe na are be na abrusi Monica ya vinyejo we mana eri go kpe ya we kia una na are be na abrusi Monica ya vinyejo Monica we ati vinyejo we ya ma abrusi okpe ma la luwu we ni okpe ma eri bo ba kia we ni Monica we ati vinyejo I will come outside and show my true face. I will come outside and show my true face. Monica, if you feel swear with Destiny Cassava, come swear with Dumes Cassava. Monica, you dey swear with Destiny Cassava. Come outside, come swear with Dumes Cassava. When I think vacate Dumes, you woman na gbe you wa be do exist. You woman na gbe ne Monica. Iye we do exist. Enye do exist. Wani le Monica. Wani Yahweh pay show. I'm not saying you should not support any presenter. I am not saying it, but not somebody like Monica, who is an adulterous woman. Monica is full of evil. Monica is full of life. Monica can go to any extent just to bring her fellow human being down for her own selfish reason. Let me tell you, the history of her dad is like a warning to all presenters. If you want to come out and speak the truth, please speak the truth. If you want to become popular and you want to make money in the wrong way, you will die or time me death. Share this audio. Let me repeat again if you don't understand me. I say people should use that Jesus as an example. If you want to be a presenter or anything on this earth, if you want to make money, make it in the right source. Don't make money in the wrong source. If you make money in the wrong source, you will end up dying. You will die on timely death. It is very wrong for you to make money in a wrong way. It is very wrong for you to make money through human being. That is money ritual. Not anybody will keep person that do money ritual. You will bring your fellow woman down. You will bring your fellow man down. They can't even pay you, say go destroy and a money ritual you chop and you are going to die on time death. Nothing will stop her for this life. What are we saying? Nothing. All pekekan. All these things that they enjoy today, they enjoy, they go supermarket and go, they do everything, they approach and they do everything. Things when I don't see life, my dear, children go inherit for everything when I don't do. Tomorrow, my children will come grow. Or they're not going to see us, man. Anyway, they put and they walk. Anyway, they go, they'll say, make una go look, say, now waiting on papa, now they worry, now waiting on my mama, do, now they worry, now waiting on sister, now they worry, now Monica. Now she want plant so. Monica want to plant an evil seed that will germinate, that will destroy the future of our children. Monica want plant seed where go destroy the future of her children. Where it be like say, if we have Monica baby. I am not only speaking to only Monica. I am speaking to all the presenters. If they are paying you to destroy anybody, if they are giving you any amount to destroy anybody, and you know that thing is not the truth, come out and speak the truth, and the truth shall set you free. If you end up collecting money in a different dimension, you end up collecting money in a different way, my dear, you are planting a generational curse on your children and your lineage. May I tell you, no native daughter for this life go fit watch that curse come up that way. Ebonagbon tie, ebonaimi tie, ebonomogwe tie, omobo tie, go ebokpa gbe yegbere awa. Nothing say, they enjoy life. Life for him. There is more to this life. There is something more. Something there where pass this life. Not be just by dollar. Not be just by hero. Think about your children. Make I tell you, my sister, my brothers. If you not say you be better mama today, pray say me my pikin live the kind of life me I live. No mother go pray that prayer. No father go pray that prayer. May all mother come and say the kind of life when I live, I want my children to live that life. Now lie, nobody will pray that prayer. Even me not go pray. If you know say you be papa, you be mama, come and say, now the way I tell live my life, now so I want my children to live my life. My dear, you say and say, no parent, even Oyedipo, our papa pastors, they will never come and say, let my children live the kind of life I live. Because all of them, they have sins. And they look all of them and laugh. Hey. Whatever you are doing, think about the life, the future of your children, the future of your generational children. How you go feel when you don't die? You dey great. You don't eat everything. You don't enjoy life. You don't enjoy all the money. You can't die. Your children will they walk out from one native daughter to another. They'll say now your wait till your papa do now they worry you. Now wait till your mom do they worry you. Now wait till your papa do they worry you. How una go feel? So una those kind of father and mother in here who say they go dey the land of dead and so cry they cry. Why? Because say their own seed they grow bad seed. Don't they germinate into bad something. Let me tell you as a parent, if you die today, your children when you die live, they are not living well. My dear, you will never rest in peace. You will never rest in peace. When you see that your children, when you leave, they go through pain, you will never rest in peace. If you want to rest in peace wherever you are, start it today. The foundation you lay today will determine the future of your children tomorrow. The foundation you lay today will determine what your children will become tomorrow. Am I talking to somebody? Please share. Please share. Please share. The foundation you lay today will determine what the wait. One another ask themselves, say, why some family you're they rich, why some family they poor? Now never sit down and think, oh, you guys should not pray to be going through the sins of your father. Then you'll know what this thing mean. See where your papa and your mama create for ground where they suffer. My brother, not be say all the native daughter way don't do this life. All of them are native daughter way not they see. They find money or more juju follow everywhere. They know they see again. Now those one come watch generational cost for your body. Irony, they will chop your money. They will clean man. They'll tell you say bye bye. You go to another native daughter. Now that kind of papa and mama you can't do remembrance for. Now that kind of mama now you can't do remembrance for. If you don't say you be better papa, better mama, pray, say, let my children live the kind of life I live. My brother, my sister, even when they talk, I cannot pray that prayer. I cannot pray that prayer. What am I trying to say? If you be presenter, change your ways. If you be presenters, learn to say the truth. Come out and speak the truth. Even if now only 500 viewers you get, now only 200 viewers you get. But after that 200 viewers where you get, they know say they talk truth. They believe say they talk truth. Wait till you tell that they enter their brain. Wait till they tell that they enter their spirit. It is better that you have it to 20,000 followers and you are misleading them. Many are called, few are choosing. Many are called, few are choosing. You not get any part of this for whether on the year Edo name. When you don't hear Nigeria, you go hear Edo. They must still come out when they spoil our name because of small money. Because of small money. Una don't fight, una don't ever sit down, una ask, una pass, what's another time where I got so get do a dog or dion, or a dog has so my dog, or dion, why need water and what which water no, or taniwa, then I am like I. A grandmother Monica, or I can't wait a $1 war. $1 war. $1 war. $1 war. Emma war. And we are fair kekena. $1 magwa, $1 magwa, so what the mana guwa. $1 magwa, $1 magwa, so na belele o wi bia ya fe hia. $1 magwa, $1 magwa, wa fana zuwa we bo mana wo ma negbuwa, wa ten water. Wa ma le better presenter no enegbe, wa ma le better presenter no ten water wa hon wa gugun iriye. Wona we ekeni otuniyan wa jeje, ewa rulele kian otuniyan wa jeje. There are so many presenters who don't even have followers, who don't even have viewers. But when you listen to them, you will gain something from them. Wak bobole le Monica no toge. Wak bobole le Monica no manegbe. Ashawo. Iyawe emo biwe emo biogbakian. So I did not blame you people because you guys are birds of the same feathers. You are birds of the same feathers. So I don't care about you. Una we the say Monica like una. Shame on una. If you want to watch everything at pay show, if now let two people pay for the pay show, you go do the pay show. Don't now go to say you love una. No, you not love una. You not love una money they make. One day, even me say I will come and say I want to do pay show. I am not against pay show, but if you want to go for pay show, go for a pay show for a responsible presenter that you will go there and learn something. Not because you can go pay money for them say oh that one come say the other one come say have your call class. Now you want to go pay money for. Now people like when they pay that money, una mama do bojobo. They dey igwanyame. They never come out enter Benin once. They never know as Benin road be. They never see dollar for her. They never see dollar for her. Here my $1,000,000. They never see dollar for her. Now go they pay for pay show. But now mama go say una money. What have you? Mommy, since when Corona just start, no money oh. Anyway you get about if now yet Monica pay show for her proco now go pay. If you want pay for pay show, be like say if you don't go that pay show, come you go sit down, you go think and say, this way this person talk, he really, I go change, I go change, and this guy, I go change. You know, so you use your money wash better. You know what I'm saying? You go use your money wash a proco, you go use your money wash like, you go use your money wash a adulterous woman where they fuck on top of you husband, you go to use money wash, and what till you two be? You where they use money wash person where they fuck around. Wait till you to be, you know, be a shower. You be a shower. Ramoke, John, mommy, feel me. Oh me. You be adulterous woman. You be adulterous woman. You guys should change your ways. Do not allow anybody to buy you just because to cover up. Do not allow anybody to pay you to cover up. Never. Because I don't normal tiebo or tiuki. Normal tiebo or tiuki eshenwo. Our normal tiebo or tiuki. Our normal tiebo or tiuki. Awe amwebok bowa, amonak bowa, onakagbe. You guys should be careful. All presenters, be careful. Do not lay a generational curse on your children because you want to earn money that when you die, you will not go with it. You should not just learn to say the truth because of anybody. Learn to say the truth because of God, because the truth shall set you free. The truth shall set you free. Nothing say like a presenter and just to do. See person where go do presenting songs na ma wune. And that Jesus not there. And she died, so she get good name. Did she die as a presenter with a good name? There are so many presenters that will die in a dope presenter today, which I not wish anybody dead. I'm not saying anybody there, but there are some presenters that will die today. They're not going to die with good name. Many Benin presenters, if they die, they're not going to die with good name. Isha, number one, who? Make una they name them up. Which presenter go die? Like say if he die, he never get good name. Make una they list and come out. Mona they talk truth, oh. Mona they talk truth. You guys should be saying the truth. I don't really have much to say. No gay. No gay. No gay. No gay. Eme Monica. Eme Lolo Agbo. Eme Edimofi or Buenya weviye nora. You guys should stay clear away from Edimofi. You guys should stay away from Dimofi. You know that you don't choose Monica as your best friend. As you know that you don't choose Monica as your best friend and Nivie. Moment where you feel oh. Just look, just no gay. Look your friends. Where I feel oh, to where I feel wow, where I feel far. What can I say? Where feel or say yeah, or the yeah, and then yeah. Please, you guys should share this audio. I'm still going to come back again. I am still going to come back again. I will come back again. All these presenters, if they're there, they don't get good name. Die and be just die may you get better name. Better say you the better person you die, you get bad name. If you die, you get good name. If better person you die, you get bad name. Oh, because that dollar, that arrow where you want get bad name for, where good name, bad name for. If you die, they know carry and follow you into grave. Now white pieces of cloth that will take bury you. Now 6 feet they go. 6 feet. Now 6 feet they go. The arrow not go follow. Even the phone will take they gather evidence. This phone will take they record. So phone will take they record. When they gather evidence. If you not there, they not they follow na go grave. They not go follow na go grave. Una where see they give presenter information. Yes, people where they give presenter information, they go still use una. Take do saga. Una where they give presenter information, they go use una. They go use una do saga. They go use una do saga. Now when they give presenter information, they go use una do saga. If presenter na better presenter, you don't need to go they pay for to get information. Better presenter not they pay to get information. You not go pay to get information. Now information go they come they meet am where he sit down put. Information go they meet am where he sit down put. How much? 10 euro, 20 euro, 50 euro. They'll give una picture. Now come they scatter person life. No get mama Nora. Mama Nora. Ije Nora. Then why? Mama Nora get sense because the Murphy wife not be your mate for this life, not be your mate for next life, not be your mate for 20 years coming. Because when that woman don't see, you know if you bear 2% for a no gay body. Waiting at the Murphy wife don't see for this Facebook, all the insult where you don't see mama, papa, with the cost where at the Murphy family don't receive for Facebook. Mama Nora, if a no gay receive one, you go pack leave a no gay with shame. But that woman will see on live video. She go they dance to entertain people. She go they dance to make people they laugh. People go they see they follow your husband, they laugh. Then they call your husband so many names. Then they call your husband Ogion Ba Dan. Then the woman will still come live. Go they follow your husband, they dance. He not die oh. Una they wish they die. Death, they never die. So shame on you people. They are far better than you. And Monica no day. Now, if I come live again, I'll come talk to Monica. I never get Monica time. All this they show. No if you cover J-boy matter, lie. No if you cover J-boy matter, you must go do J-boy DNA test. If you are a real mother, you are a good mother. Let your son know his real father. Let your son know his real father. I never get time for that Igbobia where get seven dada for head. That Igbobia where get 7 dada for head. I never get Igbobia time. If I don't get that Igbobia husband time, I go talk to them. Now all those money where they make for patients, then you tell they cover a mat, useless man. You they cover a mat, bring Benin man. You know if you cover a mat. Because you not be Benin man, Oswa, you're going to carry the story, they put it for Facebook. You make your family turn to public dog. A good presenter will take their family away from public. Then your husband carry 7 head for head, 7 head. That is 7 head for head. Is there where I go cash and go pull and come out one by one? You know, I'm not blaming now. If you not tie the Morocco, you don't tie the Morocco. You call on daddy cool. Why you not go cool after you don't smoke Morocco? When the Morocco don't they do ta. You not go know what they do again. You not gonna know what they do again. If that Morocco don't enter your head, you don't know what they do again. Now make the shop hour. Now make they don't Monica, they don't even from Bekia and Monica here from Bekia we make agboya fenu wa we kia kian here from Bekia and Monica here from Bekia and if you want agbon self if you attend if me wa we dey vie me give if you know ye ne di mo fi ya go me am egbe vie ne if you alajan we life me alajan we life I am not in Europe. I am buying my MB. I am black now where they use free Wi-Fi they enter life now see they collect money Igbobian now see they collect money Igbobia husband and they come for you that your dada will be 7 that your 7 dada will dey your front of her if I don't pull am one by one that your memory and they go reformat time it go clear. You go clear. What did they pay because they say Jarastafara? I not blame you. Now people where they wash you, they say Jarastafara, say no to Babylon. Mwe, no Morocco ne, ige Facebook na ade Morocco nwe, me blame. When when ne patient na ade Morocco nwe, blame. Apa tu unwe usie Morocco na unwe kankan, why go kan wege or weke han we, me we nia, me blame me where. Ima blame me where. Et Monica no ma negbe non j'y vais d'aucun et Monica ma negbe to j'y vais d'aucun quand fie on se nemi a fait na wa weme et Monica no ma ma en ne kwemu asha okobokobo e fieria we got her we na gba fe ji weji when edumezi you were for kikian when e Monica ma se 30 years okay to awekia ezie ka kesu akulo boy we Monica also ona ewe okan fokoda fun en omo ye video le lolo are oge igbe wa gbon oge igbe wona we tiri some igbe bem le kin o amoko de asawo hasi on foke Monica all we ko okoni wa we tiri some hian oge no oge do gbu wa ya fe oge agbelu wa ya fe oge do gbelu wa oge agbelu wa Abrusi ovole dada when him. The dada wey dey Abrus na the fuck where Monica dey fuck. Now they pull and come out one by one. Until Monica don't fuck all the men finish, all the dada go come out. That time he here go get sense. Of course, Abrus na living corpse. Abrus will be living corpse. God will bless you. God will bless you. God will bless you. Thank you, everybody. I want to especially thank everybody. Just please, I want to go back to work. I get me better thing to do. God will bless all of you now. God will bless. I want to appreciate everybody from A to Z. Now, not even see my face. Now, don't know who they talk, but now they listen to me. Now they support me. Your love is okay. Your love short. The love when they show me, so they make my head safe when they grow dada. It's just that they make my head they scatter. How many I want to talk? God will bless all of them. As not they wash me, God will bless you. As not they listen to me, God will bless you. The money when they buy MB, you not go lost. Now if na work, now they work. Now go they see promotion. If na market, more customers go they come. Anything when I put in a hand, money go they follow now. As not they support me, God go they support my family. They elevate now in Jesus' name. Thank you, everybody. Please don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Please, so don't forget to follow my page. My name is Joy Set TV. As you do, God bless you. I love you all. I love you. I love you. I love you. Please, you all always support the truth. Always support the truth. Always support the truth. I love you. I go always come out for a nogi again tomorrow. And I come out for a nogi again tomorrow. Respect for all of you now. God bless you. Bye.